Title: The Stafford. Winder, Georgia. The three-story facade of the apartment complex is presented. It is set back from the parking lot and features porches and balconies reminiscent of the Old South. Inside the clubhouse, sofas, leather chairs, and coffee tables are set adjacent to the welcome desk. Three-tier ring chandeliers illuminate the area. Heading: Win and Winder. Two residents take a stroll in the laid-back downtown area. Monument sign: Jug Tavern Park. A couple joins the two gals on a walk along the park pathways. A stop at La Gabrielle Crepes and Waffles fits the bill. Two friends engage in light-hearted conversation while they enjoy macaron at the outdoor wrought iron table. The residents continue their conversations back at the Stafford clubhouse. Quiet areas furnished with comfy furniture are accessible by arched entryways. A trip to the fitness center reveals sets of TKO punching bags, medicine balls, and free weights, together with cardio machines and lifting equipment. Heading: Your winning lifestyle. Doubles players have a go at racquetball at the outdoor court. The residences are furnished with ceiling lampshades, expansive windows, and overhanging kitchen countertops that serve as breakfast bars. Heading: Primetime living. The kitchen features stainless steel appliances and a backsplash between countertop and cabinetry. A washer and dryer pair is installed in the walk-in bedroom closet.